Hello everybody, we are now in the greenhouse, not the hoop house. And so today is now 2 weeks after the start of this project, and we have strawberry plants on all these raised beds behind me. So first thing that we have to do is we have to acquire these lovely strawberry plants. And there was a strawberry patch established a few years ago around here. However, it was established in the corner of a hayfield, which is not ideal for the ongoing maintenance. It's also about a quarter mile from top campus. So the goal of this project will be, first of all, we're moving some of those individual plants into the greenhouse for care over the winter. But the purpose of that is not to establish a permanent patch in the greenhouse, but to then transplant them into a new permanent patch outside that is closer to top campus. I'm currently thinking behind the Winden, but we will see later on.
Yeah, see, this is good enough.
Yep, looks
Alright.
good.
This is good enough for now. No.
Yeah, so as long as you have...
This is gonna die.
That
This is
is
gonna die.
borderline, but keep it anyway because you can
It's gonna
give
die.
it a shot. You can give it a shot. That's as good as you can do at this point.
Yay, I love doing this.
Here's 10.
Yay!
I love picking
Give it a
strawberries.
shot.
Woo!
Yeah, let's switch. Now what? Switching. Someone makes that. That looks like fun.
Yes, that is how you do it. Starbuck, do you know why we're adding the subsoil?
It holds water better than the plant soil.
Very good, very good.
What?
Turning from top to nova.
So this is the case where you have, this is the parent plant and this attached guy is the daughter plant. So you can leave them attached and one will help the other.
He's not. He's just keeping it down so we can get it out. Don't let it peck you either.
Little cat bird.
Watch it going back in here.
Hey, yo,
Julian, leave it. I'm trying to get alone. Don't catch me. Oh,
See, you're removing the plant from the soil.
Africa? Because I see them like every other day back home.
Have water and I'm not afraid of you.
No spraying with the water. Spray the soil with the water.
This place is going turning.
It doesn't have to be turned for you to make it wet.
I cannot spray there.
You do have to turn it over.
You have to turn it
You don't
over.
have to be spraying only the spot.
Just say you have to turn it over.
Correct.
You can still spray spots wherever you want.
Taking all the my comments. That looks so gross.
I was thinking of you in the future. Sorry, but you were making
nobody in particular. Hey, you guys should not start planning it. Wait a second. Oh, wait. Oh, I got
I'm giving you good advice, alright? Stay high.
Where's walk?
What is your goal, the end goal in there?
We will be making a strawberry patch behind the Gwyndon. So we will raise these in the greenhouse over the winter to give them a head start, and then we'll plant them in the newly established strawberry patch behind the Gwyndon. Come spring. And then we'll have strawberries. Yay! They're looking a little sad right now, a little wilty, but over the next few days, they'll perk back up and turn around. Some of them might die, but I think most of these are viable and are gonna make it. Yay! Alright, we are now about 2 weeks later, and as predicted, most of the strawberries have sprung right back to life. Even some of these ones that looked like they were gonna die have new little baby leaves, so they will survive even though they might be looking a little sad at the moment. We have this very official greenhouse management log that we've been keeping track of. The different care we're giving the plants at any given time, the temperature and humidity inside the greenhouse. And so everybody ends up taking responsibility for these little guys. So pretty much all of the leaves that are going to die have died, and all the ones that are doing well have sprung right back to life. But we're actually going to remove these dead leaves because we don't want to have any sort of fungal infection spread throughout our patch. I'm going to have to do this one-handed. Follow back all the way to the base of the stem, if I can get it around this living leaf, or go behind it, all the way down to the base, and just snip it off. One bed, all clean. All appears dead, but one little leaf. The plant lives. There, all cleaned up. Now for a bit of light weeding. Weeds. Alright, all the dead leaves are removed. I've done a thorough weeding, and these guys are ready to have the best possible chance for this winter. We'll be taking care of these guys all winter, and then we will transplant them to an outdoor patch, which we will decide in the spring. We have these little guys growing beautifully behind me. We're gonna take care of them over the winter, and yeah, it's gonna be great. Update from the hoop house. Things are growing very well in there. Only thing that didn't come up were the spinach and lettuce. Other than that, everything's come up. Radishes, we already have big old heads about yay big across on the radishes, and the corn is about a foot tall. So everything's doing great there. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!
Hey, remember how they like
attack you.
eat each
I know.
other after the
He's getting angry.
Let's not have the praying mantis attack you, eh?
They got little tiny